Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to cold Toronto. It's April 4th, 5th, 6th. Who's counting? It's freaking cold out there. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I sound like a squeaky frog, don't I? Getting over a cold. And that's okay. That's okay. What we are going to talk about today is how to make a decision. Do you know how to make a decision in your life? 62-year-old guy learning how to make decisions. And I bet you most of the people on this earth don't know how to make decisions. I learned this from none other than Napoleon Hill. Decisions. If you understand to live this way and make decisions this way, your life as you know it has to go into great heights. You will transform into an awesome human beings. Why? Why? Because your life is sequence of decisions that you make. So if you don't know how to make decisions, how are you going to survive in this earth? You'll just live a mediocre life. How do you make a decision? You, my friends, do you know your definite purpose in life? Do you know that? Sit down and write down what your definiteness of purpose is in your life. Write down. You must know your definiteness of purpose and revisit it every single day. Make it part of your psyche in your mind, and you must strive towards it every day. That is a must. Without that, your decisions are all over the place. They are fear-based decisions. So here's how you make a decision. Sit down in quiet. Be patient. Sit down in quiet. Not 10 seconds. I mean quiet. Take deep breaths. Sit down. Be in stillness. Ask your question. Ask your question then. And then sit down and listen and observe your thoughts. Just observe your thoughts. Be in patience. Your God listens and talks to you in patience and in quietness. Always. But you might say, hey, I ask questions and I don't listen to anything. Because you're surrounded with all kinds of negativity and clutterness in your life. Your mind is all wavy. Things are coming, but it's so wavy that you can't even see it coming. You're distracted. It's all cloudy in there. You need to get rid of all that cloud and open the door to receive. Know what I said? Be in peace. Be in quiet. When you ask that question, ask from a place of love. Ask in a place of faith. Ask an inspired question. Never ever fear-based. Why? Because when you're asking from a fear-based logic, you will not succeed. Fear comes in so many different forms. Doubt, procrastination, timing. I'll do it tomorrow. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Be in peace. Be in quiet. And ask from a place of love. And ask that question. then listen for the answer. And as soon as you get that answer, act on it immediately. Yeah, immediately. As soon as you wait, what will happen? Doubt, worry, fear sets in. Procrastination sets in. That is the devil talking to you. You don't have faith then. Act immediately. That is very important. Take action. But when you ask for confidence and take action. And when you take action, ask yourself, when you're asking that question to your Creator, always ask this, what is what I am asking right now aligned with my higher purpose in life? And if it is, go for it right away. But if it is not, do not even attempt to ask that question. If it's not based on your higher purpose and it is not aligned with your higher purpose, then you don't take that action at all. You go for it. Go with faith and take action from that faith. This is how it works. And then when you take that action, and if it's aligned with your higher purpose, answers will automatically come to you. Because you're feeding your mind with goodness. You're aligning yourself with higher purpose. You're aligning yourself with goodness. And guess what? Goodness has to and will come to you. And everything will fall into place when it's aligned with your higher purpose. The doors will open up for you. Just try it. But guess what? Say, for example, you have made that decision and you're taking your action and somehow it doesn't fall into place. What do? What do? Do you cry? No. Change your plan. Yeah, change your plan. But never your purpose. Whatever your plan is, has to go towards that higher purpose in life. And it has to align with it. And you take inspired action from faith. And see what happens to you. This is how you make decisions. This is what I'm doing in my life. You want to live a magical life? I just gave you the key to a magical life. Because your life is a sequence of decisions. This is how it works. This is what I'm learning from my mentors. If you understand to live this way, your life has to and will change. There's absolutely no way it cannot. Just try it. Just try it. Don't listen to this brown guy. This brown guy is a dummy. This brown guy learns from some other white people, and brown people, and yellow people, and green people, and red people. Because there are so many amazing gods on this earth that we can learn from. I'm just a channel. Information comes to me, it comes out to you. It's up to you to take this information or tell me, go to hell. And that's okay too. Doesn't bother me. But I am sharing with you something amazing. Just try it and see what happens in your life. So if you think I give you value, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so we can make this world the best world ever. Live consciously, with purpose, in this moment now, and with freaking passion. So much passion, there's only one love.